Want to troubleshoot your iPhone by yourself? Here's how to enter Diagnostics and Repair Mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone. To boot into Diagnostics Mode, first you need to make sure that you're not using any iOS beta update. If that's the case, then you'll need to install the public release. And after that, you'll need to turn your iPhone off. Now give it a few seconds to shut down properly. And now what you gotta do is press and hold both the volume buttons together, and while holding them, plug in the charging cable. So make sure that you have it ready. Now let's hold both the volume buttons together and plug the cable while we're still holding it. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo. Now you can let go of the buttons, and in a few seconds, you can see we are on the Diagnostics and Repair Mode. You can also change the menu language by pressing here, and you can view your device's serial number and IMEI by tapping on the info icon. Now to begin, we'll need to tap on Continue, then you'll need to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now tap on Agree, then your phone will go ahead and connect to Apple support. And by the way, you can unplug the power cable after you're in the Diagnostics menu. So now we can tap on Run Diagnostics, then it will reconnect to Apple support, and now you have the Diagnostics screen. Here you can test any issues of your iPhone starting from audio, display and touch issues, Face ID, camera, etc. Just choose your pick and follow the prompts to finish the checkup. As you can see here, you can also mark down the problem, which will be sent to Apple support directly, and they'll be able to assist you. You'll also be able to see the result at the end. When you're done running the tests, to exit out of Diagnostics mode, tap on these three dots from the top right, and then exit Diagnostics and exit. Now your phone will restart and you can start using it normally. Hope you found this useful, and stay tuned for more.